I got my shit on automatic, so that should be taking it out. And I be looking at it all the time when I take it out, like shit. Yeah, I ain't playing this shit.
I did it for like a year.
So you excited for Atlanta?
Yeah.
It's lit.
See what the venue looks like. Getting my ass beat in shows.
I'm trying to make sure you get right for that rematch with Breeze. We are on a quest for snacks. We're looking for snacks right now. We're gonna find some snack and some now we're gonna find some snacks. Oh.
Vitamin C and
Came here to get a Cliff Bar. We need all this stuff.
Forgot on some local Atlanta dancers.
What?
Forgot on some local Atlanta dancers. Kumo.
What up?
Flip God.
Bro, that plane was hot as a bitch.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna cap to you.
I saw you up in the front. It's been a minute. What you been up to?
Man, working like Kunta Kinte. No cap. Been working like a slave. Bro, this is the worst week ever. I'm gonna let y'all know now. I'm gonna get past it, but it don't stop. But it's okay. We about to work and take over and then go back. Is it only you on the flight?
No, Damien should be coming out.
Man, tell us scoop head ass to hurry up.
Finally, y'all came out.
This nigga always in shorts, bro. This nigga Yo, this nigga in shorts.
Atlanta.
Bro, this nigga's undefeated, bro.
But this baggage plane now.
Baggage plane?
Looks like it's over here.
Diego, this is the worst week.
Courtney had texted me saying she was y'all were coming.
Man, listen.
I didn't see it till
We out here.
This has been the worst week of my whole entire life.
In airport.
Good, man? No, I'm not good.
How you feeling, Capius?
I am feeling
it?
good.
It's 5 a.m. in Atlanta.
It's so many demons.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be longer,
It don't make no
but
sense. It's like,
Right.
the time
it's
switch.
like
so.
stacking on top of each other.
You just speak?
You gotta fight them.
It's like
Nah, not really.
Yeah. I couldn't see it.
Not with them chairs.
Hella people are out here right now, bro. Smoke is going crazy.
The smoke. The smoky. Volume 1.
This shit blew up. Knew that shit was gonna happen.
Breeze says he was about 30 minutes away.
Oh, wow.
You driving
Yeah.
from Vegas?
No, he drove from
Florida?
Yeah, Florida to Orlando. But we're driving back to Vegas.
You ever had this car out here?
Yeah, exactly. He wanted his car, so he was just like, man, I'm about to go get my car. I was like, damn, already? Like, he just got to Vegas. Look at my friend into the 70 smoke. See how I feel.
What time that shit start today?
I have no idea. I'm just out here, man. I'm just out here. Like, not even just out here, out here.
I'm asking all the dancers what time this shit start. I'm called Daboo.
Man. I'm at every.
I'm not paying $40 a day. I'm paying 40? And I know this nigga Daboo? Hell no.
That's more the reason to pay 80.
No.
Because you want his event to be successful.
It's already successful. I'm walking in. What are you talking about?
The other way. And then there's like multiple souths and multiple norths. So I'm like, oh my god, Jesus Christ.
Yeah, isn't this like the busiest airport in America?
Yeah, it is.
So
For sure.
busiest. I don't know about
Am
biggest.
I
but
paying attention?
I think definitely the busiest with the most flights.
Yeah, you don't think we coming? You wasting your hand energy, girl.
Yo, man.
What's wrong with her?
Boy, she just actively engaged in her job.
Oh God, she feel good about life right now. She like, man, I just got this job, but I'm so happy, but I'm gonna move up to TSA and then it's
But the motherfucker
She's got the 6 a.m.
But I
shift.
cannot wait to be TSA, but huh?
She's got the 6 a.m. shift.
TSA.
It's tough.
Man, I miss hanging out at airports at 6 a.m. I used to do this shit every morning, bro.
Why? Oh, never mind.
You said why?
Why?
I thought you just meant like commercial airports, my
Nah,
nigga.
bro,
Like,
being on a flight
I was
line,
like, why is this nigga on commercial airports? Freaky ass nigga.
hanging out every morning.
Like every morning. Delta, JetBlue, looking at that nigga, man. I was like,
Delta,
it's crazy.
United, Camp Creek Parkway.
Damn, I cannot stand these shits, bro. You can't tell like which way a nigga is supposed to go at all, man.
Oh, damn.
Like the road, like it
They
doesn't,
got your ass.
bro.
Let's just be up there.
It literally
I
won't
saw
tell
that.
you anything, bro. It's not telling you shit, and then it's just like, oh, the roads are curving. It's 5 curves. I'm like, nigga, come on, bro.
Yo, what up, YouTube? It's Demo. We finally made it into Atlanta, Georgia. Through all the bullshit, the hotel, the everything, we made it. So we about to get ready for the smoke. We went to Waffle House. That was pretty good. But now we about to go to the smoke. About to go get some young dancing on. I want to smoke too.
Yeah, that's what I did in the car, driving 7 hours. Had to rap to myself, cause I had the power. I had to scour the earth for many for many fucking hours. Had to get the sales better, had to get them shits wetter. Had to get to the fucking cheddar out in Atlanta, it's better, going across the states whenever, got a fucking sweater, it's cold out. You know that it's cold out. About to get the most out of this battle I've never seen before, get blown out. About to get some more clout. About to go scout the other
She's a monster. Bro. Leanie, ready to make some beats?
Yes, sir.
You gonna make some craziness?
Craziness with J Black.
You're about to pull up on Beats by J Black.
Gang, gang.
yeah.
You ready, Lena? You make some beats? You got your MPC live?
Yes, of course.
It would have been the craziest thing if you said no. I'd have been like, oh.
My baby. My baby's here.
Look who it is. The legend. How are you doing?
What's going on?
Come say what's up, y'all. Come say what's up.
What's going on?
Poppin',
Jay.
man.
Nice to meet you, bro.
It's me, Damien Demo. Nice to meet you. It's really nice to meet
Yeah,
you.
100, bro.
We got Fabrice in the car as well.
Dog.
We vlogging, man. Dude, this spot's really nice. This is like a little nice spot.
How you doing,
What's
man?
going on, man? It's okay.
We were like 30 minutes north of here.
Good to meet you, man.
Hey,
Breeze.
nice to meet you, bro.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hey, come on in.
Ooh, thank you.
Thank you.
This looks crazy. Ooh, the bass guitar. The Yamaha guitar. Oh, man. I would have not guessed 8 years.
8 years, man. 8 years.
I tell people, if you take it serious, you only gonna become a great, bro. That's all you can do.
Yeah.
You know what I'm
That's
saying?
facts.
Just continue to do it until you become a great at it, man. You
Okay.
can't fail at that if you just put the time in.
You know what's funny? I always tell people about it when I started making music. I didn't go at it that I wanted to be a producer. It was just something that was just easy for me.
Right.
Or just something I had fun. And plus I had strict ass parents too, so I got in trouble. So I couldn't do shit.
No.
So the only thing I could do was make music at the time.
Keep your
but I was a dancer and shit like before that.
Word.
You know what I'm saying? And then that fell through, and then music, just making music was just something I did on the side.
Word.
And I always tell people too, man, like when you're doing your craft or anything you do, the easiest way to go at it is don't worry about what people like. People ask for criticism and shit all the time. Like people be like, hey,
right.
check this shit out, right? That's good and bad. Like it's good, I guess, to help you on the right track, but on the right track of their opinion. You feel me?
Yeah.
Like, so
they're trying to make their way closer to what's gonna sell in their eyes, like for the
in
masses,
their eyes,
you know,
right?
what I'm saying?
Which can jade you and mess you up for shit
Wow.
you're trying to do. You know what I mean?
You sound like us from how we used to talk about like the dance world. Because it used to be, if you don't pop like us, you ain't popping. If you don't break dance like us, you ain't break dancing. If you don't crump like us, it's not even crump. And then we're just like, but we don't want to crump like y'all. We don't want to sound like y'all. We don't want to look like y'all. I don't want to smell like y'all. My shoes fit better. My
clothes better.
My clothes
better.
I'm cooler than
I'm cooler than you. Nah, but now, really, you know what I'm saying? So if we're dancing to what hip-hop is now, we're making
like, you can't get jiggy and start pop locking in the club and everybody's going to be like, oh, that dope. They're going to be like, look at this funky ass dude. Like,
there's still people laughing, bro. There's like, I don't know. There's never really people who are just like, oh, these niggas is corny doing what they do. Because it just matches the times, bro. It matches the music, you know what I'm saying?
I mean, as long as you love
it. These machines is live.
Bro, this thing looks so good. It doesn't make sense.
Live, nigga. They're just pulling out and start going crazy.
You said that shit's live.
It is.
Yes, like the whole marketing.
Hence the name of it.
The live too.
So I was a part of the team. We did the Dre's nightclub shows in Vegas with DJ Esco and Future and a bunch of artists on there. So like we were part of Esco's set where he was just like never use a beat machine. Like he only do everything strictly through the laptop. Like you don't even use the keys or the laptop or like a keyboard or nothing. So he just like, and it was off. You know what I'm saying? Like if you're just building an initial beat and it's literally like 4 counts, and you're like just.
This camera is so
I was hitting the wrong string. I was like, man, I'm a little bit right.
Pressure hit when that camera cut off.
Just turned 18.
My little workout.
Yeah, just turned 18. Has like an
Throw.
incredible story.
I'd say a while because that was Tsunami.
I keep switching it, honestly. So, but I'm quick at it though. I put this shit together fast. I built all the panels.
These?
Yeah, all these.
What's the answer?
It's like what
Your
you
hands
would
are
use
sweating?
for installation. It's basically installation. You know what I'm saying?
A lot of questions.
Nah. You good?
Her hands started sweating when she saw the
Yeah,
MPCX.
it's funny. It's fun.
Yeah, bro.
I need this one day
It's a
for
vibe.
sure.
Oh man, he got that.
I need
Good
this.
Phillips
I need
Hughes.
this.
Come on, bro. The panels.
Oh yeah.
These Luma
Yeah, the
panels.
Oh my god, light.
The foam has the instruments in it. Like that's such a crazy detail. Like,
Once you get them patterns going,
It's a vibe.
you
like
can put it to the music too.
Mm-hmm. That's a 21-inch sub right there.
wow.
I think it.
Oh, this is.
Yeah.
Is that same room? Like.
That's what I do with it.
Collabo with Tweezy and.
Oh yeah.
Guys.
Yeah.
Oh!
This is your new beatmaker mug. I saw this thing on your story.
Right.
This
It's all my
thing is
collectibles that you put on my collection.
I have
shit.
a PK Mini.
Oh yeah, one of those too.
Yeah.
Yo, this
Wow.
super crazy,
Yeah.
bro. This is super
I put
crazy.
this thing together too, bro.
Wow.
It's funny.
I think I saw
the video.
you
I
saw
the video
some.
on the pop,
Yeah, I saw this.
Yeah, it's yeah.
That's OD, man.
Oh yeah, the Mortal Kombat. You
Yes, sir.
remember that?
Wow.
I'm like, am I seeing
This
that,
is
bro? I
real.
gotta lean in
This
real
is
quick.
real.
I was
I
like,
gotta-
yo, this is crazy.
Inspiring.
Nah, that's hella dope. That one is dope. That's sweet.
Thank you.
Which one?
You seen this one up here on the shelf, bro?
The Black Panther?
Ooh,
Oh, the NPC?
the loud silence.
Yeah.
That does look really cool. It's got like the tape on its mouth with the
Where do you
logo.
find these? You gotta hunt these, right?
Like you were just an
Like,
expert.
They're
He's
easy to find like that?
People can
It's
find
in
me
your
with that
zone,
shit.
man.
Crazy. They're
They
like, I
find
want to
him.
give this to you.
Yes, yeah.
That's love, bro.
This is incredible.
I gotta
Since you be doing this shit,
You've been
Yeah.
working.
I don't want to go to nobody else.
No, for real.
Yeah, no, this is how we making this shit happen.
The cut? That's nice.
Yeah.
What's the line box?
Right there, bro. That's old school. I'm actually working on trying to get another guitar too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What are you thinking this time?
There's like a harmony guitar I was interested in. My company called Harmony. What the name was? Terrible with names, bro. Names is not there, but I know what it looked like.
But I know what it looked like. I know what it played like. Though.
I know what it played like, though.
Honestly, I feel you on that one. That's like, there's just so many things that like, you know, when you know it's good, you just know it's good.
Right. It's one of those things. You know, when I built this room, I was like, I wanted a room that's more, such like, so I can have two aspects. I can have the strict producer role to lower the shit down and be close by the speakers, but then also want like productive shit where I can take everything off the table and build some shit. Or, you know
But
what I mean?
like
And
extreme production value, just instantaneously, it's already ready to go. I just
Yeah.
look up, I see everything at a glance. The camera's already there. I don't gotta fuck with it all the time. I just plug my laptop in and I'm ready.
You just go. Yeah.
Let's go.
Nah, this is
link
this
into
is
the Matrix
incredible.
real quick. Download the programs and get it right.
So is this where you'll do your classes or where you make
the
like
content
content?
straight out of that camera.
Okay.
And then I moved it because I knew you guys were coming. I have an overhead
Okay.
system too with the
Wow.
Another Sony.
Wow.
Yeah,
Okay.
that goes down. Yeah.
That's
So
see,
when it's
that's
really
perfect.
set up, this thing is crazy. But I cleaned up for a little bit for y'all because you just
Yeah, man, that's
be some
incredible.
work in here. It look like I ain't getting no work done up in here.
No,
look too
this-
clean. Look too clean.
Dude, thank you for this. This is
Like,
awesome.
This was supposed to look like, so
Yeah. Yeah, no, but when it's really crazy, it's cables all over the place and shit like that because I be in here.
When you in the lab,
when it's actually.
The neighbors don't be saying that.
they probably say thank you.
Nah, they.
They just be saying
Nah,
thank
they
you.
loud too though. They loud too.
That's the best. I just want everybody to be loud, bro. That's what
Yeah, I
I'm
said
trying to
same
record.
to they'd be like 1, 2 o'clock in the morning. I'd be like, yes. I'd be like, yeah, get loud. Cause I'm like on a night that I feel like I want to fucking get loud. I'm getting loud.
Yeah, I feel it.
You know?
That's our problem. I don't want to be downstairs, right? So if I'm in an apartment, I don't want to be downstairs because it's just too much traffic and bugs and all that shit. I'm just gonna go up top.
Right.
But we dancing, nigga. Stomping.
It was always a
You feel me?
problem.
So it's always a problem.
People started wanting to fight us,
They
bro.
like coming upstairs, like I'm watching it happen in real time. Like, why would you do that inside like that? Move?
Why would you do a knee drop off the couch
Like type shit, like something just ridiculous.
on the carpet?
And yeah, but yeah, somebody about to
Hella
come
loud.
up here. Yeah.
You gonna stomp on the ground. Okay. Stop stomping. Stop stomping.
I did that one time at his apartment. I
I'm like,
fucked
yo,
up.
bro, stop stomping.
I don't know what. I just
I
felt like I
literally
was going
came-
to start crumping. I was like, man, I'm gonna just start crumping on the third floor. Going crazy.
Yeah,
Oh.
one time he just liked to stomp. It was like 3 months. He just was liking to stomp that month, bro. Like, even in that battle, it was at the same time. With that battle when you had the gold shoes on.
Probably.
Doom, doom. Doom. He was going off, but I'm like, damn, this nigga stomping hard. Let's
Yep.
go.
Yep. I had like a little time where I was stomping a lot. No, but yeah, I didn't know no better at the time. I was like, man, what does it mean? I'm up here dancing. They should understand. I'm working hard.
Yeah, you was probably like 19 or something, 18.
They was mad as hell.
Yo, chill.
Stop. I can't breathe.
Yeah, it does something. Yeah, it's weird. I think like heart. I think that's what it is. Like,
Your
you know,
heart's
like that
so
heart
vibrant.
shit? Yeah, it's like
No,
that.
bro,
You're like
I
that.
feel that. I literally
Like,
just
it's
feel
that
everybody
overwhelming
keep your core
shit.
tight. You might lose yourself on this. Nah, but
I was like,
we
yo,
do,
this ain't no. This is just more of an experience. This ain't really a
Like
sound.
this is like the brown note.
We're
Like,
getting to a crazy spot dancing, bro.
this is-
Motherfuckers was like, we was strobing shit, like the, vibrations and all that
Oh
kind
yeah,
of shit.
yeah.
But like niggas was really having a lot of power with that shit. It was weird. Like niggas, I've seen them make the entire apartment shake to where glasses are like
Just from
on
hit.
on the, you know what I'm saying? Glasses are like sliding on the table,
What?
and like people on the couch are like, damn, and the windows are like off of one
That's what
nigga
I'm
just
saying.
like strobing.
That's
So,
why
like,
I'm thinking
I've
about
seen
entering this
crazy
battle
shit. I'm
today,
just like,
bro.
This shit go crazy. I
What should the
strove
vibes
so
be like?
hard that I felt my heart hit my chest.
You hit your ribs,
Yeah,
right?
hit my ribs. I was like, boom,
And everything
like
goes
crazy
black for a
hard hit,
second.
and
It
my
just-
heart was like,
That's
"Bah."
scary.
And I was just like, so I was like, yo,
That's really scary.
yes, it's different
Yeah,
shit.
push
I'm like,
it.
okay, that
But-
the body limit shit.
This is the same, bro. This is just that same energy right there. This shit raw as hell. That's what I'm saying. Like, are we about to like turn into Thanos dust if you hit the wrong hertz?
Bro, I haven't even turned this thing up. I don't even need to turn it up.
Damien.
he said,
I say somebody name.
he said, Jay, I don't feel too good. Turn to dust. I turned to dust and started dancing in like a little tornado in the middle. Just,
You start seeing me put on some damn gear, helmet, right? Shit like, yeah.
he grabbed the Ghostbuster cosplay outfit. He says it's happening all the time.
Right.
Starts vacuuming up the dust.
I'm like, this experience is for y'all, not for me.
This nigga got a Hurt Locker outfit.
He's the Sherpa of Hertz.
Like, look at the power cable for this shit.
That shit industrial, boy. That's not for you know.
This is
Have these
not
in apartments, boy. Don't let them know you got this up here. I was supposed to see that. Write that off. Look at that.
You're not getting your security deposit back if they ever
Man.
see that.
Yeah.
That's commercial shit, boy. They wondering why the building is aging so fast.
That's I got my shit on automatic, so I should be taking it out. And I be looking at it all the time when I take it out. Like, shit.
Yeah.
I ain't been playing this shit.
I did it for like a year. That already up. Already got that
Oh,
shit.
shit.
No.
Music be doing something.
Yeah, this thing.
Music be doing something.
Wow. Just that
Why does
feeling.
it sound like so deep? It's like so far away. Like it sounds like I'm listening to a concert far away. Like
Wow.
feels hella weird.
That's crazy.
Yes.
That's funny. I was actually having a bass one. Well, we kind of like that bass track.
So much shit.